Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're already past setup, so start on the home screen now. First, confirm you're using the primary home panel and not a locked widget screen. Look along the bottom dock for a grid icon or an upward arrow. That's the app drawer trigger. If you don't see an icon, notice if swiping up reveals apps instead. You need to identify whether your launcher uses a dedicated button or a gesture, because that changes the next steps you take. Once you know the mechanism, perform the correct action. Tap the grid icon or swipe up from the bottom edge. Tap is immediate. A swipe needs a steady upward motion starting at the screen edge. If apps appear in pages, swipe left or right to browse. If they are in a vertical list, use scrolling. Make sure to note search and categories at the top, those speed finding an app. If folders are visible, expand them to reveal grouped apps. Now that the drawer is open, you can search, scroll, and organize. Type the app name into the drawer's search field to jump straight to it, or long press an icon to add it to home or access app info. To finish, drag frequently used apps to your dock. If the drawer fails to open, force close the launcher or restart the phone, and make sure your home/launcher app settings haven't disabled the drawer. That typically fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.